The K18 is a bike-like kit, 5800 milliamp battery, 8000 lumens, 15 modes. It's not just a bike light kit. You can take the bike light camping, hiking, emergencies, work light, a power station, and more. We're going to demonstrate and demonstrate only and show you what the light looks like lit up and placed on a bike and or scooter. We can only demonstrate the lights outside, not on the bike. We have a brake light. Single press turns on, changes to blue, a flash in red, an SOS in red, and a rapid flash in red and blue, and the off. On the bike light, if we press on the top button, we have a bright light and a wide up and down. Again, it dims down, as you can see, and shines out. A third press is a slow flicker. A fourth press is an SOS. And back to the bright light and repeat. Long press shuts the light off. The button towards the back gives a soft light, medium light, and the same repeated slow flash, SOS, and back to the bright light in the warm Kelvin. Pressing on the back light and hitting the front light, it switches over and long press will shut off. As we opened up and show you what you have inside, an instruction guide, nicely covered and protected all around plastic and foam. Your bike light with the wide beam, narrow beam, 15 modes, 3 levels of lighting, and different types of SOS, flashing, and more. Underneath is going to be your accessory kit. To be your attachment for your LED backlight, USB charging cable, your light, your charging cable for either the light and a clamp. So you have an option to put your clamp on and the strap to the post. We have the light, the tail light, USB door, USB-C charging area, IP rated. Your rubber band matches up over the clip area, pulling back and locking into place firmly. It pivots up and down. Pulling out is releasing and placing to the side in a number of angles and locking in. Turning on the unit, an on and off button, is the red button, and turning on the light, red, blue, red flashing, a slow flash, SOS, rapid flash with red and blue, and cycle through off. With the main light, clip, release knob, slide on, lock into place with the arrow, 360-degree rotation, opening up by moving and locking down. On the back, USB-C and A, your power station, USB-C on the opposite side. You have your 2 lights, warm, 6000 Kelvin, digital blue window, 3 lights, COBs. You have a solid beam and a wide beam. Turning on the switch is a short press, has a memory where left off on a slow flash, an SOS, high that fades to a medium, that fades to a low, that goes back to the flash, long press for off. On the top, it changes to a blue color. There's the LED window, high, medium, slow flash, SOS, and repeats. Changing to the medium is simply pressing on where the memory is left off, green or blue. Pressing on both, nothing happens. On the front, there's your wide beam. In this demonstration, we're sliding on and locking in over and locking into place. Place on and remove. It's as simple as opening up and sliding on the bracket. On the back, we're going to put on the post, the back brake light, as well as removing the bottom light off the unit and sliding on. Turn on to our setting. 16 hours of runtime, depending on the mode, on. Cycling through the modes. 500 feet distance of throw, straight and wide beam together. Added protection for the backlight of your choice, manually controlled. We're going to show you the power bank. Using a supplied brick to charge the unit will take a few hours. Reverse charging, power bank charges the unit and the light turns on. Emergency use with the supplied cable for smartphones and more. The bike light kit with the front headlight and rear tail light is an option for your bike riding needs in low-level lighting. I hope you enjoy your bike kit if this is something that you are looking for in a bike light. 500 feet of throw, wide and straight beam, 5800 milliamp, 8,000 lumens to be seen at night. Enjoy your bike light kit, your headlight, tail light, and more. Enjoy your product. Thank you very much for viewing.